Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Jain, pursuing first year BTech CSE with data engineering and AI in Lovely Professional University. So I am here explaining about Q in data structure. So um, first telling about Q in data structure. A queue is a data structure is a linear collection of elements that follows the first in first out principles, meaning that the element added first will be the one removed first. It operates like a line in a store. When the first person to enter the line is the first to be served, elements are added to the rear any queue and removed from the front the queue of the queue. Other operations include speaking view the element at the front without removing it and checking it if the queue is empty. This structure is commonly used in scenarios like task scheduling, bread, bread fast, and search, and in the implementing various algorithms and data structure. So I will explain by so I am diving here. First in, first out, first in, first out. First in, first out. So I'm taking one object one, object one, object one. Then I am here putting object two, object two. Then I am giving object three. So object three. So I am here with adding one by one. So object one, I added object one, two, and three. So here object one is first given and second is object two, object first is here, then second, then third, three, third. The queue will return the object one first, then two, and object three third. We whenever we give first, then give second. So here we are going to for real life practical implementation of queue. So we are giving a example on printer. In the printer, we are example taken by printer. So how the printer works. So here we all know that how it's work. When we put into, for example, if we given the first document, consider the P of a resume. So example we are taking a printer. So here we are going to implement a same on a real time example. So, yeah. So here we are doing a real time example. So here I'm typing the code. Example class print print q. First definition of yeah, then self q. So we give it a definition on self q. So it will be run by its own. So next we need to add the job in and what documents it need to print and what taken its job. So I am creating here another function definition add underscore job. Self job. So we can print dot self q dot append job. Append job. So here we can do the append to, so it can, that's so it can be printed self q append. So So I am here had another function. So for printing this to we need to add one more for printing. So here I am adding process. So if is there any problem, it's need to be printed. So that we add that. So self dot yeah, job job equal to self dot q. So for the prop function, we need to add the first document to given. So if you are given to print first document one, we need to add this zero. We need to add any index. Oh, so if we add nothing in index, so it will be no it will be no printer. Now then I am giving print commanding. I am giving print. I am giving the printing command. So printing job Now I'm giving else. So if there any no jobs to print, everything is done or already done print. So what will we do? So I'm giving a command. So I'm giving a command no more jobs to print if that all the printing are done. So there is nothing to do. That's why I add this. So here I am going for an exam. So um, writing a printer variable is equal to print q. First I am adding some jobs. First print uh, printer dot add job. So I'm adding document to one, then printer document two, printer dot add underscore job. mm, Document two, sorry, document two. So I'm here added two document one and two. So the printer need to print the two documents, document one and document two. So I'm giving a one more process job. So printer need to process process job. I'm adding once more print printer dot process underscore job. So I am going to run this. So here I run. So here is yeah, the code is run actually printing document one and document two. One more printer dot process job. We'll see that. Yeah, there is one and two is printed, and there is three when we type that there is no more jobs to print. Then here is our code. We are already finished this, so our job is done. So if so consider if you are giving this to 6 and this to 1, then we can see what is happening. So here is correctly printed that printing 6 and second is printing 1. So this is all about our example. So thank you everyone. So thank you.